Welcome to Almaty, Kazakhstan. Let's go get some coffee. It's 6:30 a.m.
Minutes approximately.
Perfect. Goddamn beautiful morning in Almaty, Kazakhstan. We are in the center of the city. Check out all this cool semi-Soviet architecture. The AQI in New Delhi when we left was over 400, and here it is 8 single digits. 8 is the AQI. God knows how I'm gonna go back. हमारे बिहार में भी यही बुलाते हैं, पुलिसिया. The next train is at 12:07. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा भाई. Time to rent a car.
Is who really needs the balaclava.
Yeah, I will. Thanks.
Let's go. Right in front of us is the Almaty railway station. And right in front of us here is the statue of Abilai Khan, who was the last independent Kazakh ruler before it got into the Russian Federation. They're really proud of their leaders here, it seems. Abilai Khan, ladies and gentlemen. About 8 or 9 years ago, when I used to play harmonica in Connaught Place in New Delhi with a hat on the floor so that people could give me some money so that I could afford to travel to Himachal Pradesh or Uttarakhand or wherever it could be. Once upon a time, there was a person who put a note into my hat. It was of a currency that I did not recognize. The currency was Kazakh tenge. 1,000 Kazakh tenge note in my hat. And being broke as I was, I really wanted to find out how much money I could get out of that. It turns out that the amount of money I could get out of that was only about less than 200 rupees. And I was very disappointed. But that really made me want to come and see what this country is like. And for the longest time, about all these former Soviet republics, I always used to give in to the memes, you know. In Soviet Russia, bear eats you. And just about how disorganized and how apparently terrible things are in this part of the world. But turns out I was absolutely wrong about all of it. This is the first president that the park is made in honor of. It says here, "Together we spread the glory of the Kazakh nation, which has a strong foundation, a strong state, and is in accordance with its 4 characteristics." I'm not sure what those 4 characteristics are. But this is a representation of Baikonur, which of course is where the USSR space program used to run. Baikonur is still being leased, I'm so sorry, from Kazakhstan by the Russian Federation, and is still a spot where they shoot stuff into space from. Long live Kazakhstan, collecting rent from the Russians. Out there, all that white stuff in the distance is the Tian Shan Mountains. It's across the South Tian Shan Mountains that the Silk Route made its way from China into what is now Central Asia, across the South Tian Shan Mountains and into the Chui Valley, which starts south of Almaty and goes into Kyrgyzstan. The Silk Route was a series of markets and towns that facilitated the movement of goods all the way from China and India to cities in the Middle East and Europe. It's called the Silk Route because, of course, a lot of silk was transported across, made in China and India, and it was a valuable commodity in the Europe and in the Middle East. But a lot of other things were also transported in the Silk Route, including spices, which we will see later, including cheeses, including a lot of other food items, and also the bubonic plague. So we've shown you the fancy, the downtown part of Almaty, the Soviet built part, if you may. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to the Tastak historic district, which is of course the part of Almaty which is the oldest region in this town, the first settled one, and also where the Silk Route used to pass through. The original market of the Tastak district is where traders used to come together to exchange spices, cheeses, and all the wares that they were carrying all the way from India and China. Follow me.
О,
Да.
вкусный, вкусный. Вот.
Ooh.
А? Ассаламу алейкум. Nereden de sürüyorsun?
So if you ever come to Almaty and if you find the 4 or 5 story shops in the center of town too expensive and you need anything, or if your shoes get wet in the rain or you need to buy new clothes, you know where to go. Сколько?
10 тысяч. 10 тысяч.
Yes.
Habib Nurmagomedov. The Su-27 is the best set in the world. It is a big launch. Выступает самый лучший боксер в этом мире. Ребята, вот он знает. Habib. Habib?
Habib Nurmagomedov.
Habib Nurmagomedov. Bey!